Here are two methods to scan a QR code on your Android phone. So let's get started. The first method is using your built-in camera on your phone. So come to your phone and just open the camera. After that, just point the camera to the QR code like this. And as you can see over here, the link has come. So if I click on it, it's taken me to the link of the QR code, which is my YouTube channel. So this is the first method, which is using your built-in camera and just pointing it to the QR code. Now, if this doesn't work for you, there's another method which will most definitely work, and that's using Google Lens. So if you have Google Lens installed, open it, or else come to the Play Store, then search for Google Lens. This is the app, and open it. Then in Google Lens, you have to do the same thing. Just put the QR code within this box, and as you can see, it has detected the QR code. So again, if I click on this, it's taken us to my YouTube channel, which was linked to the QR code. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.